Hello students, today's class we will discuss problems on harmonic analysis. So before the first test I explained what is harmonic analysis. So in Fourier series, given a function you know to find the Fourier series. So if you are given a function in the interval 0 to L or 0 to pi or minus L minus pi, you know to find the Fourier series. So but here in practical cases you will not be knowing the function, you will be given the values of the function in a table. Say you will be having the values of x and y in tabular form. From without knowing the function you can get the Fourier series. So given a function with period 2l or 2 pi, you know to find the Fourier series. It can be periodic or non-periodic, it can be continuous or discontinuous, but without knowing the function, with the values given in the tabular form, we can find the Fourier series. So we will be finding the Euler's constants using the mean value property. So these are the I have discussed what is mean value property before the internals. So a naught is 2 times the mean of f of x, an 2 times the mean of the product f of x cos n of n pi by lx, bn is 2 times the mean of the function f of x sin of n pi by lx. So if you are given a function in 0 to L, you will be using this formula for Fourier series, for finding the Fourier series, and you will be finding the Euler's constants using the mean value property for a naught, an and bn. So whenever you have 0 to L form, you should define theta. So take theta as pi x by L. So a naught is same, there is no change in that. A naught is 2 times the mean of f of x. An is 2 times the mean of f of x cos n theta. Bn is 2 times the mean of f of x sin n theta. So if you are given a function in open interval 0 to L, you have to write this formula for Fourier expansion and then find the Euler's constants. So in problems you will be asked up to second harmonic, rarely they ask for third harmonic. So I told you what is nth harmonic. The an cos term plus bn sine of this is called as the nth harmonic. This bracket term is called as the nth harmonic. So if n is 1, it is called as the first harmonic, that is a1 cos plus b1 sine. If n is 2, a2 cos 2 plus b2 sine 2 pi x by l is called as second harmonic. So harmonics occurs in pairs. I had discussed this before the test. So in problems, in harmonic analysis you will be asked only problems. There are 4 types: 0 to L, 0 to pi, and in half range you have 0L, 0 pi. So today's class I will discuss problems from 0 to L and 0 to pi. So given the values in tabular form, first thing you identify the interval and then write the Fourier expansion and the Euler's constants. Now type 2, if you are given a function in 0 to pi, the Fourier expansion is a naught by 2 plus summation 1 to infinity an cos of nx plus bn sin of nx, where a naught is 2 times the mean of f of x, an 2 times the mean of f of x cos nx, bn is 2 times the mean of f of x sin nx. So here also this sum an cos nx plus bn sin of nx is called as the nth harmonic. So first harmonic is a1 cos x plus b1 sin x, second harmonic a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x, third harmonic a3 cos 3x plus b3 sin 3x, and so on. So the amplitude of the nth harmonic is defined as square root of an square plus bn square. The amplitude of the nth harmonic is defined as square root of the coefficient of cos, that is an square plus bn square. So see a1 cos an cos plus bn sin, you can even consider it as complex form. See in complex numbers you must have learned polar form of complex number. that is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So what is amplitude in complex analysis? R, you define it as root of x square plus y square, that is imaginary part square plus real part square. Similar to that, we have amplitude of nth harmonic as square root of an square plus bn square, that is a maximum magnitude. Amplitude is a maximum magnitude, that is root of an square plus bn square. So if you are asked to find amplitude of first harmonic, square root of a1 square plus b1 square. Amplitude of second harmonic, square root of a2 square plus b2 square. So now we will discuss problems from 0 to L, first type. So you have this question. Find the constant term and the Fourier expansion up to the second harmonic of f of x given by this table. So first thing, you observe the values of x. X values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and in the table the values of y at the endpoints will be same. In the table the values of y at the endpoints should be same. If it is not same, you have to complete the table. I repeat, you are given for the periodic function. In case if you are not given 12, see, in case if you are not given 12, you have to complete the table by seeing the x values. So you see x values are equally spaced with the difference 2. So add 2 to 10, you will get 12. So complete the table. And what is y at 12? It is same as this endpoint, that is 9. I repeat, first thing, given the values in tabular form, check whether the table is complete. The table is complete only when the values of f of x at the endpoints are same. The table is complete only when the values of x at the endpoints are same. So if in case if they are not same, so let's say you are given only up to this 10. So you complete the table by observing the x values. You see x values are equally spaced. So you add 2 to 10. So you get the endpoint as 12. And what is the value of y at x equals 0? 9. So write the same thing here. So if the table is not complete, you have to complete the table. So first thing, I repeat, given a table, you check whether the table is complete. When the table is complete, when the values of y at the endpoints are same. The table is complete only when the values of y at the endpoints are same. If they are not same, complete the table. So this is the first thing you have to do. Now y equals f of x is defined in the interval 0 12. So it is 0 to L type. So 2L is 12, L is 6. So it is given Fourier expansion. So 0 to L type, so L is 6. Now what is the constant term? The constant term formula is a naught by 2, where a naught is 2 times the mean of f of x, and that is, or f of x can be written as y, 2 times the mean of y. What is an? 2 times the mean of f of x cos of n pi x by L. So in whenever you have 0 to L type, you should define theta. I repeat, whenever you have 0 to L type, you should define theta. So what is theta? Pi x by L. Theta definition is fixed. Theta is pi x by L. So here L is 6. So pi x by 6. I repeat, f of x is defined in 0 12. So 0 to L type. So 2L is 12, L is 6. So constant term is a naught by 2. You are asked to find the constant term. So a naught by 2. What is an? 2 times the mean f of x cos of n pi x by L. So whenever you have 0 to L type, define theta as pi x by L. So here it is pi x by 6. So an is 2 times the mean y cos n theta. So you are asked to find up to second harmonic. So find a1, a2. So a1 is 2 times the mean y cos theta. a2 is 2 times the mean y cos 2 theta. Similarly, bn, just replace cos by sin. 2 times the mean f of x sine of n pi x by n. So b1, here again we have defined theta as pi x by 6. So bn 2 times the mean y sine n theta, b1 2 times the mean y sine theta, b2 2 times the mean y sine 2 theta. Then we have the Fourier expansion of f of x in open interval 0 to L up to the second harmonic, as you are asked to find up to the second harmonic. So that is why I am taking like this. So f of x a naught by 2 constant term, first harmonic a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta, second harmonic a2 cos 2 theta plus b2 sin 2 theta, where theta is pi x by 6. So this is how you have to do. I repeat, given the values in tabular form, observe the check whether the table is complete. If not, complete the table. Observe the type. 2 it is 0 to L type, L is 6, then you are asked to find up to second harmonic. So find A1, A2, B1, B2 and write the Fourier expansion up to the second harmonic. Now we will form the table. Now the table is so here you have, so what you have to find x, what is theta pi x by 6, and you have to find up to second harmonic, so you need 2 theta also. So x, whenever you have 0 to L type, you should define theta. Theta is pi x by 6. What is 2 theta? Pi x by 3. Cos theta, cos pi x by 6 is cos theta. Cos 2 pi x by 6 is cos 2 theta. Sin theta, sin of pi x by 6. Sin 2 theta, sin of pi x by 3. Then you have f of x column y, then you are asked to find up to second harmonic, so you need y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin theta, y sin 2 theta. I repeat, see, you need you have to find up to second harmonic, so you need a column for a naught, you need for a1, b1, a2, b2. What is a1? 2 times the mean y cos theta. What is a2? 2 times the mean y cos 2 theta. What is b1? 2 times the mean y sin theta. What is the b2? 2 times the mean y sin 2 theta. So you have, that is why in the table you have, when x is given in the problem, define theta pi x by 6. You are asked to find up to second harmonic, that is why I have defined 2 theta also. So you need y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin theta, y cos theta, y sin theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin 2 theta. So that is why you see y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin theta, y sin 2 theta. That is why you have these columns, y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin theta, y sin 2 theta. So, so I repeat, x theta is pi x by 6. You are asked to find up to second harmonic, so 2 theta, 2 times pi x by 6, so it is pi x by 3. First harmonic is what is a1? 2 times the mean of y cos theta. So you need cos theta, cos 2. Second harmonic you need cos 2 theta. First harmonic sin theta. Second harmonic you need sin 2 theta. Then you are given f of x. F of x is given in the question. F of x is same as y. So y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin theta, y sin 2 theta. Then now x values 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I told you in the table you should include only one of the endpoints. If you are including 0, you should exclude 12. I repeat, whenever you form the table, include only one of the endpoints. Don't include both the endpoints. Either include 0 or 12. So always include the first endpoint. So I am because this endpoint will be counted in the next interval. It is, since it is a periodic function, this endpoint will be counted in the next interval. That is why we are not including this endpoint. So in the table you will include only one of the endpoints. So 0 is included, 12 is not included, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then theta. So what is theta? Pi x by 6. So pi by 6 into 0, 0. Pi by 6 into 2, pi by 3. Pi by 6 into 4, 2 pi by 3, pi by 6 into 6, pi pi by 6 into 8, 4 pi by 3, pi by 6 into 10, 5 pi by 3. So these are the theta values. I repeat, pi by 6 into 0, 0, pi by 6 into 2, pi by 3, pi by 6 into 4, 2 pi by 3, pi by 6 into 6, pi, pi by 6 into 8, 4 pi by 3, pi by 6 into 10, 5 pi by 3. Then 2 theta, 2 times this, 2 into 0, 0, 2 times pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 2 times 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 2 times pi, 2 pi, 2 times 4 pi by 3, 8 pi by 3, 2 times 5 pi by 3, 10 pi by 3. Then cos theta, cos 0, this is theta column, cos 0, 1, cos pi by 3, 0.5, cos 2 pi by 3 minus 0.5, cos pi minus 1, cos 4 pi by 3 minus 0.5, cos 5 pi by 3, 0.5. So this you can do from the calculator. Use radian mode. Cos 0, 1, cos pi by 3, 0.5, cos 2 pi by 3 minus 0.5, cos pi minus 1, cos 4 pi by 3 minus 0.5, cos 5 pi by 3, 0.5. Then cos 2 theta. So cos 0, 1, cos 2 pi by 3 minus 0.5, this is 2 theta column, cos 4 pi by 3 minus 0.5, cos 4 pi, it is 1, then cos 8 pi by 3 minus 0.5, cos 10 pi by 3 minus 0.5. Then sin theta, sin 0, 0, sin pi by 3, 0.866, root 3 by 2, don't write in fractions, write the values in decimals. Sin pi by 3, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, that is 0.866, sin 2 pi by 3, 0.866, sin pi 0, sin 4 pi by 3 minus 0.866, sin 5 pi by 3 minus 0.866. Then sin 2 theta, sin, this is 2 theta column, sin 0, 0, sin 2 pi by 3, 0.866, sin 4 pi by 3 minus 0.866, sin 2 pi 0, sin 8 pi by 3, 0.866, sin 10 pi by 3 minus 0.866. Then you have y column, f of x column, then y cos theta. This is y column. So f of x into cos theta. So 9 into cos, 9 into 1. This is cos theta column. So 9 into 1, 9. Then 18.2 into 0.5. That is 9.1. 24.4 into minus 0.5. So that is minus 12.2. Similarly, you will find the other values. So f of x multiplied by cos theta column, f of x multiplied by cos theta column. Similarly, y cos 2 theta, f of x is y, f of x multiplied by cos 2 theta column. I'll tell you for the first one. See, f of x 9, what is 9 into f of x is 9 into cos 2 theta, that is 1, 9 into 1, 9. Then second thing, 18.2 into cos theta, 0.5, that is you have minus 0.1, minus 9.1, 18.5, 18.2 into cos 2 theta minus 0.5. So 18.5 into minus 0.5 is minus 9.1. Similarly, you will get the other values. Then f of x sin theta. So this is f of x y into sin theta. This column multiplied by this column. So 9 into 0, 0. 18.2 into 0.866, you will have 15.761. Similarly, the other values. So f of x multiplied by sin theta, f of x column multiplied by sin theta column. Similarly, for the next column, f of x multiplied by sin 2 theta, these two columns. The last column is f of x sin 2 theta. So f of x multiplied by this column. So after that, so this is for so we have got y cos theta, y cos 2 theta, y sin theta, y sin 2 theta. After that, you find the sum of f of x, because you need a naught. A naught is 2 times the mean of f of x. Then what is a1? 2 times the mean of what is a1? 2 times the mean of y cos theta. What is a2? 2 times the mean of y cos 2 theta. b1, 2 times the mean of y sin theta. b2 2 times the mean of y sine 2 theta. Then so find the sum of y. So you have f of x column, f of x that is y cos theta, this is for a1, this is for a2, and this is for b1, and this is for b2. So you have a naught as 2 times the mean of f of x. So what is f of x sum? 128.9. What is f of x sum? 128.9. So 2 times 128.9, this is a sum. What is average? Divided by 6. There are 6 values. So 2 times 128.9 by 6. 2 times the mean of f of x. So the sum of f of x is 128.9 divided by 6 will give you the mean. So this is a naught. Similarly, a1, what is the sum of y cos theta? This is for a1, that is minus 24.65 divided by 6. So you have minus 24.65 divided by 6 into 2. So 2 times the sum is minus 24.65 divided by 6. Then a2, what is 2 times the sum of y cos 2 theta? That is y cos 2 theta sum is minus 9.25. So 2 times minus 9.25 by 6. Similarly, b1, 2 times the mean of y sine theta. So you have y sine theta. So it is 2 times minus 5.975 divided by 6. So that's what I have written here. b2, 2 times the mean of y sine 2 theta. So what that is the last column, y sine 2 theta. So the last column sum is minus 0.606 divided by 6. So this is the mean. So you will get a0, a1, a2, b1, b2. Then we have written the Fourier series up to the second harmonic. This is a first harmonic, this is a second harmonic. So what is pi x by 6? It is same as theta. Pi x by 6 is same as theta. What is theta? Pi x by 6. That's what is written here. And 2 theta is 2 into pi x by 6, that is 2 pi, that is pi by 3. 2 times pi by 6 is pi by 3. So the a naught is 42.967 divided by 2 plus a1 is here, b1 is here. So a1, b1 is substituted, then a2, b2 are substituted. So this is the Fourier series up to the second harmonic. Then we have the next problem. So the following table gives the variation of the periodic current A over a certain period T. So here I have, you see here T and A, T in seconds, A is ampere. So show that there is a constant part of 0.75 amperes in the current A and obtain the amplitude of the first harmonic. So you take it as xy, so you will not have confusion. So take x as t, y as a. So a equals f of t, that is y equals f of x, is defined in, you see the table, f of x is defined in 0. You see the values of f of x at the end point should be same. So you see here the first column and the last column, y value should be same. So if it is incomplete, you complete the table. Suppose if you are not given this column, so you see observe the x values. What is the step size? It is t by 6. How do you get 0 plus t by 6 is t by 6. T by 6 plus t by 6 is t by 3. So if you add t by 6 to 5t by 6, you will get t. I repeat, observe the table, see whether the table is complete. So the f of x is defined in 0t and the values of f of x at the end point should be same. So in case if you are not given this, you see this value and copy down that. So f of x is defined in 0t. So 0t means t is a constant. So which type? 0 2l type. So 2l is t, l is t by 2. So the constant term is a naught by 2, where a naught is 2 times the mean of f of x and an, what is an? 2 times a mean of f of x cos of n pi x by L. What is L here? T by 2. So I told you whenever you have 0 to L type, define theta. So theta is pi x by L, pi x by t by 2, that is 2 pi x by t. So whenever you have 0 to L type, define theta. Theta is pi x by L. L is t by 2, so 2 pi x by t. Then what you are asked to find for the first harmonic. So just write what is an, 2 times a mean of y cos n theta. What is bn? Similarly bn, just replace cos by sine. When what is bn? Just replace cos by sine. So if an is 2 times a mean of y cos n theta, what is theta? 2 pi x by t. As if an is 2 times a mean y cos n theta, bn is 2 times a mean of y sin n theta. So what is a1? 2 times the mean of y cos theta. What is b1? 2 times the mean of y sin theta. So we are asked only first harmonic, that is why I have written only a1 and b1. And so here we have to find a0 and a1 and b1. So we'll go to page 94. So this is page 94. So this is a table. So t, small t values are given: 0, t by 6, t by 3, 2, t by 2, 2, t by 3, 5, t by 6. Then what is theta? 2 pi by, what is theta? 2 pi by t into t. So 2 pi by t is a constant. 2 pi by capital T is a constant. So 2 pi by t into 0, 0. 2 pi by t into t by 6, capital T gets cancelled, pi by 3. 2 pi by t into t by 3, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by t into pi by 2, t by 2, pi. 2 pi by t into 2t by 3, 4 pi by 3. 2 pi by t into 5t by 6, 5 pi by 3. I repeat, whenever you have 0 to L type, you should define theta column. Theta, what is theta? 2 pi by t into t. So 2 pi by capital T is a constant. So 2 pi by capital T into 0, 0. 2 pi by capital T into t by 6, pi by 3. 2 pi by capital T into 2 by t by 3, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by t into t by 2, pi. 2 pi by t into 2t by 3, 4 pi by 3. 2 pi by t into 5t by 6, 5 pi by 3. So in all the terms, capital T gets cancelled, and you can observe that small t values are equally spaced. What is the step size? T by 6. T by 6 is a difference. T by 6 minus 0 is t by 6. So t by 6 plus t by 6 is t by 3. T by 3 plus t by 6 is t by 2. And you see theta values are also equally spaced. What is the step size? Pi by 3. 0 plus pi by 3, pi by 3. Pi by 3 plus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3, pi. Pi plus pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 plus pi by 3, 5 pi by 3. So I told you in the table you should include only one of the endpoints. So I have included only 0. Don't include both the endpoints. In all the problems include only one of the endpoints. So better to include the first endpoint and remove the, not to include the last endpoint. This endpoint is counted in the next interval because it is a periodic function. Why we are not including this endpoint? Because it is a periodic function and this is included in the next interval. So you have here you have theta, and you need only first harmonic. So cos theta, sin theta, capital A is y. So capital A or y, a cos theta, a sin theta. So what is this? Cos theta, sin theta, and this is f of x or y, a cos theta, a sin theta. So you can even write y cos theta, y sin theta, and here you can write y, that is also correct. So what you need? a0. What is a0? 2 times the mean of f of x. And what is a1? 2 times the mean of a cos theta. And what is a2? 2 times the mean of y sin theta. Capital A or y is same. You need only first harmonic. See, you need only first harmonic. So you need, it's enough if you find a1, b1, y cos theta, y sin theta, and a0. So that is why in the table you have only this is for a0, this is for a1, this is for b1. capital A or small y. You can write both the notations. So what is A naught? 2 times the mean of A. So what is it? Find the sum of the last three columns. The sum of A column is 4.5 divided by 6. So 2 times 4.5 by 6. 4.5 by 6 is the average. So that is 2 times 4.5 by 6 is 1.5. A1. 2 times 1.12 by 6, that is 0.3733. A2. 2 times the mean of this column, 3.0137 by 6, that is 1.0046. So up to the first harmonic, it is A naught by 2 constant term plus A1 cos theta plus B1 sin theta. So that is what is A naught? A naught by 1.5 by 2, and then A1 so you have A1. So substitute the values of A1 and B1. What is it? A equals, what is A naught by 2? 1.5 by 2 plus A1, that is 0.3733 cos theta and plus 1.0046 sin theta. So this completes the question. So in this, you just have to substitute the values of A naught, A1 and B1. What is A naught? 1.5. What is A1? 0.3733, and this is theta. 2 pi by t is theta. And what is B1? 1.0046 sin theta. Or you can write theta as 2 pi t by capital T. So with this I complete for today's class. You practice these two questions. We'll discuss for the next type in the next class. So this is given in page 94.